Hello friends, I've filmed this video probably a million times. It is now June 11th and I meant to post this on the 1st because I want to do a monthly garden update, but I don't know where that footage is. So we're going to do a 3rd into June garden update. Obligatory pan of the garden to start. Look at that growth, it's incredible. Let's start over here on the left. We have our rosemary, looking beautiful, and our Chinese red meat radishes. Here's the thing about radishes, I treat them the same as I would treat a beet, where if I see it crowning or the top of it coming out of the soil, I'll know it's ready. None of these, the leaves are so big, but like, I don't think they're ready. If you have any radish tips, let me know, please. We have our corn bed. Look at this. It's all gotten so tall. Love it. We have more radishes in these vertical planters on the sides, and then this is a sweet pepper that I started from seed. Apple mint, zinnias. We have 2 things of raspberries that I just planted this year. Kale that I never use. Of course, Desmond's Desalia and the SpongeBob rocks that I painted for him. And then we have our beets. These are the red beets on this side. Here's a tomato, a volunteer sunflower, and on either side of this cattle panel, we have cucumbers. I don't know what happened here. This one's a hot mess, but this one's thriving, so that's good. And then I've got some smaller ones that aren't staying this size. They're just not growing. I don't know. Let me know. Got some salvia growing, chamomile that's taking a really long time to do anything. And then this is a dedicated tomato bed. And we do have some fruit starting. This is a gold medal tomato. And we've got some, let's see, this is Rosella tomatoes. What else? This one, ooh, we have a lot happening here. This is Kellogg's breakfast tomato. So many starting. This bad boy is another Rosella. We also have Woolly Kate and beefsteak. So lots of different tomato varieties. We all love tomatoes. Spinach that I never use. These potatoes in those 2 bags, and then these 2 potatoes. I don't know if I ever put anything in this bag, and so I'm just leaving it alone just in case I put seeds in there, but I don't think I did. Got a beautiful hollyhock happening back there. Another vertical tower with radishes all around, and another sweet pepper. We have both of these, we have 2 of these on either side. Those are strawberries. They've produced maybe a couple little strawberries that just immediately got eaten. And I have my painted strawberry rocks throughout to trick the birds, but I don't know, it's not working. We have our golden beets in this bed. Again, more cucumber, oregano. These are my sweet potatoes. I've never grown sweet potatoes, but I'm very excited about these. This lemon tree that I've had for about a year. You can see it's got a ton of little lemons starting. Another right there. And then this variegated lemon tree is just not. It's just not. But yeah, we'll see. We keep holding on. More sweet potatoes. This bed is mostly peppers. So we have cayenne, and look, we've got some cute little cayenne starting. This is a sweet pepper, marigold, and then our volunteer potatoes that I'm curious to dig out of here. More peppers, and then this side of the trellis is spaghetti squash, which I'm super excited about because we all love spaghetti squash. Look at this. This is my hand for comparison. I also have infant-size hands, but for comparison. So we have several of those growing, a bunch of spaghetti squash, very excited. A few more here. Got a disco ball, and then this side is butternut squash. So we've got a couple here. Another tomato that's not doing great. I guess it's just not getting enough sun, or maybe it's being attacked by the butternut squash, who knows? And here's my pea tower that is being taken over by the spaghetti squash. Let me just weave it through here. There we go. But it's constantly leaning, being pulled over that way. That's all right. And then this is my squash bed of zucchini and summer squash. So I have yellow summer squash, I have crookneck yellow squash. You can see one here that got kind of chewed up. And I got a lot of zucchinis right off the bat, and now it's like, oh, that's probably not supposed to be here, huh? What is that? I'm gonna take it off. But now I haven't gotten zucchinis in a little bit, but lots of yellow squashes are popping up. And then over here we have the infamous pumpkin. The infamous pumpkin patch. It's crazy. So again, we have Cinderella's Ride over here. We have Jack-o'-lantern. We have Atlantic Giant. So let's see. And then we also have watermelons here and there, which are not starting to fruit yet, but they are getting super long. And then up here we have cantaloupe. Very excited about both of those. We love cantaloupe and we love watermelon. This is what is this? This is an Atlantic Giant pumpkin in a grow bag that I swore wasn't gonna do anything because it's in a grow bag. But lo and behold, it was our first pumpkin to fruit. So there it is. Who knows how big it'll get. And then I wanted to show you some other ones. This is a jack-o'-lantern, adorable. And then that back there is a Cinderella's Ride pumpkin. And you can see it is June 11th and they are already out to here. So I imagine that this whole area will be just full of pumpkin vines and watermelon vines very shortly. I tried to intersperse marigolds and basil and rosemary and other herbs and flowers. I have nasturtiums everywhere. You can see just everywhere throughout my garden. Next year I'll do more of that and I'll figure out more of what's best planted together. But this year I was like half there. I was halfway there, but I'm okay with that. Oh, let me show you these lights. Look at how cute these are. This was a 2-pack of solar lights from Aldi, and it came with the stand and everything. 2 packs. A 2-pack for $12.99. I think I'm gonna have to go get another set just because they're so pretty and they glow like this orange light and it flickers, so it looks like candles are in there. And I love a solar light, so I don't have to use electricity and it comes on automatically. It's beautiful. I have also been, as I am pulling out and harvesting my beets, I have been succession planting more beets, which is awesome. I've not done that before. I've been gardening a really long time, but every year there's more to learn. If you have any tips for me, I am always looking for tips and I always appreciate them.